This is my improved, this time it's a 1x4 A hood prop, and the tops could be modified at the end slightly to make it slide in better, but actually I prefer easier to make. It works just like this. The other side of the hood, unlatch it and kind of rest it a little bit high on the little latches, and then have this side open, and with one hand, let's see here, goes up like that, and then put the hood there, and then come around the other side and lift the hood up. Trying to do it with one hand, but anyway, it's secure, and there it is. It's my A hood prop improved. This time a 1x4, lighter, easier to cut, and it works. Modified the holes slightly to make them all the same. Again, easy to make. And there you have it.